This is Command Control. Prepare to drop the commandos. Hello and welcome to Dave's Hack Shack. Today is the introductory video of my YMFC-32-C autonomous flying quadcopter. My quadcopter is based on Joop Brokkings' original design of his YMFC-32 autonomous flying quadcopter. He's an amazing teacher, fantastic presenter, and his videos are just unbelievable. I will not even come close or even try to talk about his designs and his setups. Instead, I will direct you to his website. He's got a personal web page which details the complete design of his project and build. And then he's also got some fantastic videos, and I highly recommend you watch his videos and just marvel at his unbelievable talent. Following Joop's lead and inspiration, I've made all the code available for free. The complete repository is available at GitHub, and I'll put the link at the end of this video. So with that in mind, let's just dive right into the modifications I've made. As I said, this is an introductory video, so we're going to go over at a high level the feature and functionality, and in the future videos we'll detail the code and the modification. And the first modification I made was an enhanced telemetry system. This is now a two-way telemetry system. It's fully interactive with the quadcopter. I can change PID parameters. I can change system configuration information. It's fully interactive. So the second modification I made was I added a 24LC256 I2 EEPROM. This allows me to save configuration information up front. In the future, I'll be able to save waypoints, PID information, and this way I can save the information without having to reload it every time I change the quadcopter's code. The third feature I added was a remote drop control. This is a feature that allows me to attach a payload to my YMFC-32 and then drop that payload while I'm in mid-flight. This system is controlled with a single push button here, and as you can see, you can push the button. The YMFC-32's payload door opens. It stays open for 3 seconds and then closes again. When I'm playing with the grandkids, I put parachute guys in it. On 4th of July, I put snaps on it. You can put whatever you want on it, and it's just kind of a fun thing to have. And the last thing I changed was some simple hardware modifications. I added some filter noise reduction capacitors. I added a delayed boot capacitor. This allows me to boot up the system, make sure the IC2 bus is fully loaded before the SM32 loads up. I also added a switch. My hands are a little bit big trying to change that jumper, so every time I wanted to change the load code, I'd have to change the jumper. Now I can just flip a switch. So for the final part of this video, I'll interact with the YMFC-32. As you can see that it's a very responsive system. So you can change features on it like heading lock. You can change the flight mode. You can change the start system. The system's got a built-in alarm system, so you can test the beep. You could then, if the battery voltage gets low, it will automatically beep. So these are just some simple modifications. Feel free to download the code, modify it, change it, do what you want. I'll keep moving the product forward with new features, functions, and enhancements. And as I said earlier, in future videos, I'll explain these individual features in detail. And thank you for visiting the Hack Shack.